welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, we're gonna review this Aquapick AQ-350 water flosser. Actually, I reviewed a water flosser before also. You can check it here in this video. But this one is much bigger and I chose the color pink. They also have an option if you want the color gray. But look at the packaging. It's so cute. And it arrived safely here at home because, you know, it's packed securely. And the seller is responsive too. So let's check what's inside this water flosser. Okay, so when you open the box, you will immediately see a protective brown cover in the box so that, you know, the product will not be damaged. And then after that, you can immediately see this AQ-350 water flosser. As you can see, this is how it looks like. It's color pink again. So just to show you some parts, this is the water tank. You can remove it. So if you want to refill, you don't have to bring this anymore. By the way, the volume for the water tank is 600 ml. So you can really put a lot of water here. And then after that, this is the on and off. You can just switch it up and down. So look, it's pretty long. The cord is 35.4 inches long. This is the spray tube. And this water flosser is 2,400 pulses per minute. Okay, so aside from the water tank, of course, you need to have the jet tip. So you will be given 4 jet tips in a different color because again, you can use this one water flosser tank for all of you in the family. So these are the colors. They have orange, red, green, and blue. And of course, aside from the jet tips, you have a jet tip holder, also 4 pieces, since you can stick this on the walls. And then to put it in the holder, you just have to open it and then do it upside down and then put it inside. That's it. And then close it. And then aside from this, if you want to clean the water tank also, you are given an Aquapick cleaning tablet. I really can't wait to use this product because the previous water flosser, it's been doing good. Same seller also from Urban Ground. So I'm really grateful for that. And when I checked also the reviews in their Shopee store, you know, 100 plus sold and the rating is around 4.9 or almost 5 stars. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that as you can see, there are 4 modes. So low to high, you just have to switch it like that. Okay, so to put the jet tip in the handle, you just have to pull it down and then just push it in. And then there you go. I'm gonna show you guys later on how I do it. And also the tip here, if ever you're gonna do the water floss already, make sure that you are doing the letter O, not letter E, or else the water will, you know, splash all over like what happened to me before. So yeah, if you are a first-time user with this water flosser, make sure you do the lowest strength first and then you can adjust it gradually. Okay, so this is how you water floss. Okay, first you fill the water tank with water and lift up the handle with switch. Make sure that the switch is pulled down to off. Then the power will automatically turn on and the motor starts running. And then after that, slowly bend your face closer over the basin and keep your face at a 45-degree angle. And then after that, press the jet tip to your mouth to begin irrigating. And again, take note, since water could spray out, please close your mouth and make a shape of letter O instead of letter E. Okay, to maintain this water flosser, all you have to do is to pour out all the water inside this water tank and then after that wipe it off and make sure there are no water inside already to avoid bacteria from building up. And yes, if ever you guys are not using it, make sure to unplug it for safety as well. Okay, so I tried to research on the benefits between string flossing and this water flossing, and it says here a study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry compared the efficacy of a water flosser to string floss used in combination with a manual toothbrush. And the researchers found that the group who used the Waterpik had a 74.4% reduction in plaque as compared to a 57.7% reduction in the group who used the string floss. So with that, there may be other pros and cons when using the water floss, but it is highly recommended if you have braces so that you can reach the hard to reach areas, especially at the back and the middle of your teeth. And of course, fix your gums. So it's really up to you if you would want to consider using the water floss and change it up a little bit. So yeah, if you guys are interested with the Aquapick AQ-350, I'm gonna put the Shopee link in the descriptions below. And if you have more questions, just comment it down or even ask the seller since they are really responsive. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. See you in these next videos. And don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!
What's that you say?